Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. How are you all doing? It's okay, just hang in there, we're gonna be fine. I know God is with us always. Keep on praying, stay at home, stay safe, okay? Yes, today's recipe, I'm so excited to share this with you guys because this is for Easter Sunday and it's perfect for brunch. Here is our ingredients. White asparagus or asparagus, we call it in Netherlands asparagus, and then I'm gonna clean that. We have also 3 eggs, and then I'm using also cold cuts chicken fillet. This is also good for making your sandwiches. And I need also chives, thin ones, paprika powder, black pepper, oil, and salt. Now I'll show you how to clean the asparagus. You have to take it off the skin like that. I'm finished cleaning this. Now I'm going to boil or cook for 18 minutes. Just add a little bit salt and water. Okay, while cooking our asparagus, I'm gonna prepare our omelets. Beat the eggs. I forgot to mention, I want to add also garlic powder and onion powder, a bit of salt, black pepper, paprika powder, alright, smelling very good here. Just build it with fork, it's okay. And then I'm gonna make 2 omelettes. Okay, let's make our omelette. Look at that. Okay, our omelette and asparagus is ready. Let's go to the next step. We're gonna roll in the chicken and asparagus. You can take 3 asparagus in 1 omelette and just fold this like that. And then I'm gonna bind with this chives. How I get these long chives, I just connect 2 chives like this. Ta-da! This is ready. sprinkle with chopped chives. There you have it, roll omelette with asparagus and chicken. Perfect for Easter brunch. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.